Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne as he explains that he would live in Jamaica again because of the wonderful places that he was able to visit and because of the scenery that Jamaica carries. He loves Jamaica a lot and his family is there, which enhances his experience. So go ahead and watch the video and please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for your cooperation.
So many things to do on your island, on the little island. Honestly, I really would live here again. I really would. I would be happy to come back here and live because there are so many amazing things to do here. It is such a shame that the Jamaicans on the island, they don't get to go and experience their own little island as like how tourist people do, like myself. Because I would call myself a tourist because I don't know Jamaica. I don't know Jamaica, right? But listen, there are so many amazing things to do here. So many. All you need is a little. Oh fuck's sake! So get supply to me. All you need is a little money. Once you have money, people, and then again, not everything requires money. You just have to get to point A to point B, and back to A. Jamaica, one of the most amazing islands in the world. Jamaica, amazing island in the world. Jamaica, land of wood and water. The black, green, and gold. What does it represent? I know the yellow represents the sunshine because it has all year round sunshine. The green for the lush greenery, and the black for the people. Them big up Jamaica. Big up Jamaica. Honestly, you see, if crime, right? Then again, crime is in every country in the world. There's nowhere on the face of the earth you go where there isn't crime. However, if Jamaican can get the crime situation under control, I promise you, people of Jamaica, if you can get the crime under control, you would be up there in terms of number one places to go. Best parish, best country ever in the world. I don't care what no one says. Big up Jamaica. Big up all the Jamaican people, them. Seriously. Listen, you people have a lot for us people overseas to be envy for. Most importantly, all around sunshine. You have a lot of amazing rivers, a lot of amazing falls, a lot of amazing beaches. What else? So many things. So many things. Listen. I don't know nowhere in England. I don't know nowhere in England you can go and swim with dolphins and actually interact with the dolphins. Nowhere. Jamaica has that. Dolphin Cove. I don't know nowhere that has rivers and so many falls. Clear water. I don't know no country where you can go rafting on the rivers because the water is that deep. Jamaica has all of that. Not to mention, people in Jamaica can go to their neighbors and say, listen, me nana sugar and beg a little sugar, beg a little salt. Overseas, you're lucky if you know your neighbor. Consider yourself lucky if you even know your neighbor's name. You can go to them and say, "Let's beg a little food." Can't do that in England. You can't. You really can't. Jamaica, people in Jamaica, you have a lot. You have a lot over us people in foreign lands. I say this with no apology. Yes, I live in a foreign country. I live in a foreign country. But Jamaica, home is where your heart is, and my heart truly is in Jamaica. My heart is in Jamaica now. I love the island. And most importantly, I love my Jamaican people. I love all of you. Whether we've had any kind of issues, listen, allow bygones to be bygones, but I do care for you people. I care for my people. I wish I could like snap my fingers and everyone on the island would love each other and just embrace each other. Look at what the national heroes had to go through for us to well, us not including me because I was a part of it too, for us to get our independence. I think we should make them proud. We should. And most importantly, women in Jamaica are the backbone of the island. I don't care what no one says. Because without females, the island is just going to remain stagnant. Because I'm very sure men can't produce children. Men can't produce children. So I personally feel Jamaica needs to protect the females more. Protect the females more. And look after them. Because females are the structure, the backbone of every country there is. But I'm right now referring to Jamaica. I'm talking for my own country. I think we could do better. We could. The day we get up and start to embrace each other and just wholeheartedly loving each other, trust me, Jamaica will be an amazing country. It already is an amazing country, but it could be better. It could be better. And most important, I'm gonna say again, stop hurting our females. Stop hurting the females on the island. Whatever happened to, like, if a partner does something to you, why can't you just walk away? Why do you feel the need to show that you're the man? Those days should be long behind us. It should be. And not because a female doesn't want to be with a man, that doesn't mean the man should feel like the female is their property. There are so many females in the world and so many males in the world. So many. Right now I'm speaking from my heart and I don't care who wants to hear. I don't care who wants to hear. I'm just speaking some things and hopefully